Hey y'all, it's your girl Kia Love. Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So, as you know, Thanksgiving is around the corner. So today I have a bomb, vegan, dairy-free dessert for you all. I was trying to decide between cheesecake and sweet potato pie, and then I was like, you know what? How about I just combine the two? So I'm going to be showing you a sweet potato cheesecake today, y'all. It is so simple. Don't be intimidated by it. It's not a ton of work. It's simple to make. You're going to love it. But really quick, before we get to that, in case you wonder what hair extensions I'm rocking, this is the Cavani Virgin Hair, raw Indian curly, y'all. This is my absolute favorite texture from the Cavani Virgin hairline. But of course, that's not what you're here for. So the information is going to be in the description box below, but they will be having some bomb Black Friday specials. So if you want to check it out, information is in the description box below. But anyways, y'all, let's get to this sweet potato cheesecake. Let's get it. All right, so first you're going to need 1 cup of soaked raw cashews. I do recommend that you soak your cashews overnight in cold water. However, if you must, you can do the quick hot water soak. Next, you're going to need the juice of 1 lemon, followed by 1/3 a can of coconut cream. 1/3 a can is also 4 to 5 ounces. Then you're going to need 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, followed by 1 to 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. I use 1 this time around, but I do typically use 2, so it's completely up to you. However, 1 will make your cheesecake be a little more on the tart side. Then you'll need 1 tablespoon of almond milk. Now you're going to blend it on high in a high-speed blender until it is very smooth. All right, so this is the consistency that I'm looking for. It's very smooth, very creamy. So I know that I displayed this pie crust, y'all, but today I'm actually going to be using my homemade 5-minute no-bake pie crust, y'all. So simple and so delicious. So if you haven't seen that video, check it out. It's also gluten-free. And we're going to be using my delicious mashed sweet potatoes recipe. So check that out as well if you haven't seen it. And now we're just going to take some of the mashed sweet potatoes and spread it at the bottom of the pie crust. You do want to spread an even layer. You don't want it to be too thin, but you don't want it to be too thick either. So you at least want to have a layer so you can see it. All right, so now that we have our layer all smoothed out, we're going to grab our cheesecake filling and dump that on top. And then we're going to spread that out and do an even layer for that as well. Okay, so now we're going to add the rest of the sweet potatoes. In my mind, I pictured these beautiful orange swirls, y'all, but it did not turn out that way. So you know what? It is what it is. I just wanted the sweet potato mixture to be in the mix. So as we cut the slices, you'll see the beautiful orange and white swirls. Like I said, maybe yours will be a little prettier than mine, but it's still delicious, y'all. I was totally freestyling, so bear with me. Now you're going to cover it with saran wrap and place it in the freezer for 1 to 2 hours, and then it's ready to serve. However, I do recommend if you don't eat it within 24 hours that you store it in the freezer. If you like this recipe, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to be notified of my future plant-based recipes, hit that subscribe button. But until next time, peace and love.